Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to clear Capcut cache. You need to go to the home page because you can't be in a project if you would like to clear the cache. Then you go to this settings icon and you click on settings, and then here you will be able to see the cache size. If you clear the cache, you are not gonna lose anything important. You just need to click on the download icon again with the certain effects, certain sounds or audios, but you're gonna have all your videos, you're gonna have all your favorites and things like that, so you don't have to be afraid to clear the cache. So you just click on the clear cache and click OK. This is gonna make the performance much better according to my experience. So it's worth to clear the cache often. You can also have this auto delete cache, so you don't have to manually clear the cache all the time, and you can choose the days, so you can, like, every 15 or 30 days you can just automatically clear the cache. Alright, so all in all, this is how to clear cache in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.